So we're testing the Rode VideoMic Pro here at plus 20 dB. The internal sound is just turned up a tiny bit, but it's pretty much down. And we're going to see how it sounds. Pretty much pointed right at my face, so let's see what kind of sound we get. I'm really hoping that this new firmware update will eliminate some of that noise that the camera usually produced, or the AGC probably produced. So. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to do some more testing here. So now this is at negative 10 dB, high pass filter is on, and just going to see what the sound is, what the difference is, and alright.